حاضر معنا البوليس والخمينة ديال امستردام. اتفاقية. ما شاء الله.
Exactly. Now watch. It's not even moving. It's not even moving.
That's mad.
It's called. Now that is in 4/3/2. That's the earth tone, and that's a healing tone.
Wow.
So there's proof. That is proof there.
Wow.
That you're hitting the right notes. What you're essentially doing. This for me. It stops when I stop it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. The mouse.
Because I'm stopping exactly, and your voice. You know, I don't know how much more proof people want. Look at this. You've got African,
and even the music you played as well. Do you remember?
Even the music. Well, let's put the music on.
Yeah.
I'll show you what music does. This is proof that they're messing around with us. So, right. That's what 440 frequency is doing to your bodies. Look. That's what it's doing inside our bodies when we hear it. So it keeps you on edge. This is why people dance. This is why babies, when they're first born, can't not move to drums. Because drums have an effect on your body.
That's nuts.
Right? Now, what you're doing is a frequency in 4/3/2, which for me is more spiritual than the praying itself. Because this is a healing tone. Look, it's not even moving. So it has no bad effect whatsoever.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That is absolutely
And
crazy.
when the reverb, because it's not real what we put in.
Yeah, that's right.
When it comes off, watch it just as it comes off the edge. Watch.
It's completely straight.
Yeah.
That's Steve. That's crazy.
Proof.
That's crazy.
That's proof.